Hello, Module 1 student. Hello. Good to see you today. Today we will continue on this page number 198. Okay, 198. Okay, so let's do it. This is not hard, right? So if you have like this 1x over 2, it's too big a bit. Okay, we can. X over 2 plus 9 is equal to 5. So step number 1, you want to move the number away from x, right? Move the number away from x. You have number 2 and you have number 9. Number 9 is far from x than number 2. So you want to move number 9 to the other side. So opposite the plus is a minus. So you have that, right? X over 2 is minus 4. Then x is negative 4 times 2, because opposite of divide by 2 is to multiply by 2. So that is negative 8. That's your answer. Okay, this problem is quite easy. Everyone can do it, right? Okay, let's go next one. Right? This problem. This one is quite like a challenging one. Like, it's not that hard, but somehow it's a new thing that we have never seen it before, right? So, let me write the problem again. Okay. Yeah, I wish that you enjoy your sports day. Okay, enjoy your sports day. Okay, this problem we want to subtract, right? We should subtract the y's, like move all the y's to the left. Okay, so we're gonna have like 5 over 7y and minus 1 over 2y, and the other side is 3 and 1 over 4 minus 2. Right? Make it opposite. So let's do it now, right? Okay, so here 3 and 1 over 4, if we subtract them, we're gonna have let's say we're gonna have it 1 and 1 over 4, right? Because 3 minus 2 is 1, so it's 1 and 1 over 4. And this one, you have to find the LCM of it, like LCM of 7 and 2. LCM of 7 and 2 is 14, right? LCM is 14. Okay, so this one you're gonna change it to 14, something like this. And then on top, right? 7 change to 14, you multiply by 2, so 5 times 2 is 10. So you have 10y, and then minus with this number 2, change it to 14, you have to multiply with 7. So that will become 7y like this. Okay, so 10y minus 7 is 3y over 14 like this. And the other side is change it to the normal fractions. Okay, so that is 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 over 4. Okay, so your y is going to be 5 over 4 times the opposite of that, right? 3 over 14 will be 14 over 3. So what is it now? Okay, so your y is going to be make it smaller, like 2 7. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 over 3. So that is 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 11 and 2/3, right? 11 and 2/3. Okay, that's your answers. Yeah, you can do it, right, kids? It's so easy. It's so easy, right? So easy. Yeah. Let's go next one, right? Okay, this one, right? Number 3. Okay, let me write again. This time the variable is z. Right? The variable is z. Variable is not x. Variable is not y. And divide by 3. Okay, so if you see this kind of problem, what you do is you have to multiply something, like we call it like cross multiply. Like number 3, we cross multiplying it to the left. Right, number 3 we cross multiplying it to the left, and then number 2 we cross multiplying it to the right. So you are going to have a 3z minus 1 like this, and then 2z minus 4 like this. Okay, and then you have to distributive multiplying it. Okay, 3 multiply the 3 in front inside the brackets. Like, so you have 9 Right? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 seeds. Like, and 3 minus 1 is just 3. Right? 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. This one, like 2 times z is 2z. And then 2 times 4 is 8. And it's a negative. It's a negative. Okay, so next step, right? Next step, you're gonna do like this one, like 9z minus 2z. Like move all the z's, move all the z to the left, and move all the numbers to the right. This negative 3, change it to positive 3 on the other side, right? 9 plus 2 is 7. Right? You have 7z, and the other side is negative 5. Right? So your z is negative 5 over 7. That's your answer. Right? So this is quite easy. You just have to do it like step by step. Okay? Just do it step by step. Okay, let's go next problem. Uh-oh. This one, right? Okay. I think that I want to save the time. I will just teach you the technique, right? This is like the technique from the book, so you can read it by yourself. If you want to know more about it, okay, spend some time on it. Spend some time on it, okay. But for me, I'm just gonna show you how to do it now, right? So, this one, okay. Let me write the problem again. A divided by 2x minus 3 is equal to 4, right? So the step is you have to multiply it in. This one, right, this kind of problem, we have x below, right? The x is under the line, right? The variable is under the line. So what you do, you cross multiplying, right? This one, right? Cross multiplying it up there. So yeah, I can have a 4, 8, okay, like this, and then it's like 4, and then multiply with 2x minus 3. Right, 2x minus 3. The next step, right? If I look, I feel like I have two choices. I have two choices, two options. Option number 1, I can just multiply this. Right? I can just multiply number 4 inside like this. Okay, this is my option 1. My option 2 is I'm gonna move this 4. Right? This number 4 is multiply to this bracket. I'm gonna move it there to divide under number 8. Right? So when I think of it from the two options, I feel like option 2 is better. Okay, option 2 is better. So let's move it. Let's move it like this. Okay, option 2 is better because you will get it like faster. Get it faster. Okay, so I divide like this. Move number 4 to the left. Then I just 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now I'm gonna move now, right? I'm gonna move the numbers now. Okay, this 2x, I move it to the left, so it becomes negative 2x, right? Because I want to have all the x on the left, and then this 2, I'm gonna move it to the right, and it becomes negative 2. So x is negative 5 now divided by negative 2. So at the end your x is 5 over 2, right? Negative over negative is positive. So 5 over 2 is 2 and a half. 2 and a half. So 2 and a half. Okay, finish. Great. So let's go. Let's go next one, right? X is 2 and a half. Okay, this one now. Okay, this problem. Let me write the problem. So you should be good with it now. Okay, you should be good with this problem now. Okay, this kind of problem. Okay, so when you have like a fraction equal to a fraction, like this one is like a fraction. Again, what you want to do is to cross multiply. Okay, to cross multiply them. Okay, cross multiply them. Okay, like number 2, which is go up there. Or I have another technique. If you want to do it directly, you just go like cross multiply like that. But I have a new technique, okay? I have a new technique. I know you want it, okay? You want to use the technique, okay? So let's see. Okay, the technique is like this. You come back to look at this one, right? Or maybe I just take the arrows. I'll just take the arrows out. And then you come back, you come to look at this. This is a fraction, right? Fraction has the upper part and the lower part. Fraction has the upper part and lower part. You look at the upper part, they are equal, right? They are equal. So 3 is already equal to 3, right? If they are equal, then this lower part, right? This lower part, y plus 4 has to be equal to number 2 as well, right? Because they are the fractions. Then you can conclude that, okay, the upper part is already equal, so the lower part have to be equal. So you just go y plus 4 is equal to 2. Then y is 2 minus 4, right? So y is negative 2. Y is negative 2. Yeah! That's it, right? So this is like a new technique, okay? I'm gonna call it like a tips, okay? So if you see something like this, you just have to take a look and compare, okay? Okay. Okay, exercise 4B now. Exercise 4D. This is like a basic level. Oh, you can do this one now. This is so easy, right? This one, x plus, I'm gonna do it very quickly. Like x plus 8 is 15, so x is 15 minus 8, right? Plus is moved to minus, so x is 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, finish, right? Oh, okay. We move to next one. We move to next problem. Okay. This one is so easy. We're not gonna spend a lot of time. Like x minus 5 is 17, so x is 17. Like negative 5, move it to plus 5, so x is 12. Aha! Finish again, right? Very quickly in 1 minute. Okay. So next problem. Oh, this one is so easy. So we go like a is equal. I'm sorry. I need to write the problem. Negative 2.7 plus a is equal to negative 6.4. So a is negative 6.4. This is negative, right? Opposite of negative is positive. Okay, so you go 2 plus 2.7. So your a is, what is it? Right? This is negative something, right? 6.4, 2.7. I'm gonna have a 4 here, and then 3. Okay, and it's a negative, right? Yeah, borrow this, right? I borrow this. It's a 5. This is a 1. 14 minus 7 is, it's a, not 3.4. I make a mistake. Okay, stupid that. Sorry. So 4, I do it. The negative is bigger than a positive, right? So I'm gonna have a negative number. Okay, so this is like 14, right? I borrowed this and I get it 5, right? So 14 minus 7 is 7. 5 minus 2 is 3. So it's negative 3.7. Okay, not hard, right? But I make a little bit of mistake. Okay, make a little bit of mistake. Okay, so we go to the next one now. So each of the following equations, we're not gonna spend a lot of time, right? This one is so easy. 4x is negative 28, so x is negative 28. Move number 4, right? Multiply by 4, right? 4 is multiplied to x. Move it down. That is 4, 7, right? 7. So your x is negative 7. Yay, we get it done again. Whoop, next one, next problem. Okay, next problem. This one, 9x plus 4 is 31. Okay, so this 4 is far from x than 9, right? This 4 is far from x than 9. Okay, so we leave 9x there. We move positive 4 to the other side. So you have 31 minus 4, right? So 9x is 31 minus 4 is 27. So x is 27. Divide by 9, right? Divide by 9. So that is chop chop 3, right? So your x is 3. X is 3. Yay, finish. Okay, so we move to next one now. Move to next one now. Very easy. This one, 4y minus 1.9 is 6.3. So 4y is going to be, move it to the other side, right? 6.3 added with 1.9. Okay. Okay. So 4y is 6, 7, 8.2. It's 8.2, right? 4y is 8.2. So y alone is 8.2 divided by 4. That is for 1, right? I don't know, for 2, for 2. It's 2.0, right? This is like 0 and then 4, 5, 20. So 2.05. We get 2.05. Okay. Let me drink some water a little bit, okay? Aha, this one, right? 1.5, okay, 1.5. This one, I think that I want to change it to fractions, an improper fractions. So we're gonna do 2 times 1 plus 1. That is 3 over 2, right? And then minus 2y, and it's 1 over 4, right? So next step, I'm gonna use this technique, right? I think I taught you before. Right? Number 2. This is number 4, right? So LCM of 2 and 4, we're going to find it, right? 2, 1, 2, 2. LCM, we multiply 2 with 1 with 2, and it's come out to be 4, right? That is your LCM. LCM is 4. So we're going to multiply 4 to all of them, right? Multiply 4 to all of them. Multiply 4 to this one, and this one. Okay, so we are going to get, right? We multiply 4 to this. Right? If you have a 4 there, right, multiply like this. 2 and 4, you have 2, right? And 2 times 3, you have number 6. You have number 6, right? You have number 6, okay? So it's 6. And then here, if you multiply 4 there, right? 4 times 2 is an 8. And then 4 times, if you multiply 4 at here, right? Something like 4 will cut with 4, right? And you have this number 1 left. Okay, it becomes something very easy now, right? This step, right? This step. You multiply with LCM to change the fraction change the fractions to change fractions. Okay, we have many fractions like two integers. You know, right? You change the fraction to integers. Okay, so when you have the integers, it becomes something that is so easy. Okay, negative 8y is equal to 1, right? And 6, you move it there. Opposite of plus 6 is minus 6. Okay, so you have negative 8y equals to negative 5. So y is negative 5 over 8 over negative 8. Right? So that is, I'm going to write it here. So my y is 5 over 8. Okay, that's the answers. Right? Negative over negative is positive. Yeah. So try to learn from it. Okay. Try to learn from it. Next one. This one is easy. So let's see. 4x minus 10 is 5x plus 7. So move other numbers to the left. Okay, so 4x, no, sorry, not move other numbers, like move other x's, move other variables to the left. So 4x minus 5x is 7 plus 10. So 4x minus 5x is minus x. Here, 7 plus 10 is 17, right? If minus x is 17, then x is the opposite, right? It's negative 17. Yeah, finish again. Okay? I may go a little bit fast today. So if you have any questions, just let me know, okay? If you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, kids, let's go. Let's go this one, okay? Let's go to this one. Okay? I'm gonna write it 30 plus 7y is negative 2y minus 6. Shup. I'm gonna move all the y's to the left. For x 7y minus opposite is plus, like 2y, and this is negative 6. 30 opposite is minus 30. Okay, 7 plus 2 becomes like 9y. Negative 6 minus negative 30. Negative 6 minus 30 is negative 36. So my y is negative 36 divided by 9, right? Divide by 9. So at the end, I have 9194, right? So it's negative 4. Woo, so easy. You can do it for sure, right? Okay. Aha, this problem, you have two options. Aha. Two options. Option 1, multiply 2 inside. Option 2, do like this. right? Move this number 2 is multiplied to this bracket, right? It's multiplying to it. So if you move it, it will be like this. Divide. You know that opposite of multiply is divide. So if you see something like this, you may want to take these options because it's faster. It's faster, right? You want to do it faster. So that is 2.3, right? 2.3. So next step, right? This negative 2.2, you want to move it to the right. So it becomes plus 2.2. So your 2x is now equal uh, 4.5, right? 4.5. 2x is 4.5. So x alone is 4.5 divided by 2. X, your x is equal to 2.25, right? 4.5 divided by 2 is 2.25. Yeah, finish. Okay, next problem. Next problem. Like this one. Let me see. Because we have many terms here, so we cannot just move this number 3 to divide, right? So this one, the option is to multiply inside. Okay, so multiply inside. Say 3y plus 1 is equal to 4y minus 21. Okay, so this problem, I'm gonna multiply it there. Okay, multiply number 3 there. So I will have like 3y plus 3 is equal to 4y minus 21, right? And then move them all to the left, right? Move all the y's to the left. So you have 3y minus 4y is equal to negative 21. And this plus 3, right? Opposite of it is minus 3. 3 minus 4 is minus 1, right? So minus 1 is equal to negative 24. So negative is equal to negative. Then y is, yeah, like the positive y is equal to positive 24 as well. Yeah, finish your game, right? Woo, we go very fast now. We go very fast, you know. I do it like, you see people play the chess, right? When they play chess, they have to like do something like this, like to stop the time like that. Okay, this problem. Again, right, we're going to multiply number 3 inside this and multiply number 2 inside this. So I'm going to go with this like y plus 2 and is equal to 2 times of y plus 4, right? Multiply 3 inside like this. It becomes like 3y plus 3 times 2 is 6. Okay. 2 times 1 is 2y and 2 times 4 is an 8. Okay. So now, next step, I'm going to move all the y's to the left, right? So I have like 3y minus 2y, and here is 8. So like opposite of positive 6 is negative 6. Move it like this. Then 3y minus 2y is just a y, right? 8 minus 6 is negative 2. Yeah, you have the answer now. Very easy. So easy. Very easy, like this problem. It looks like hard. It looks like hard, but actually not, right? Yeah, maybe like me, right? The first time you see me in the classroom, right? You may feel, oh, this teacher is going to be very bad, right? Yeah, but actually I'm a good teacher, right? Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's write it down. Like write the problem. 3 times of 2 c cat plus 5 is equal to 4 times of c cat minus 3. So this problem, we don't have any other choices. So we have to go like this again. Like 3 times 2 is 6 c cat. And then 3 times 5 is 15. This one 4 times c cat is 4 c cat. And then that is negative 12, right? 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so then we move all the c's. Like move all the c's to the left, right? 6c, opposite of plus 4 is minus 4c cat. And this is like negative 12. Opposite of this plus 15 is minus 15. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2c cat is that one like negative and minus 15. So it will be more negative. So it's a negative of 27. Right? So your c cat is negative 27. And you divide it by this number 2. Right? So c cat is. Okay, let's make it as a fractions. Okay, I want it as a fractions. So I'm going to have this negative. No. As a fraction, like mixed numbers. Okay, so I'm gonna have a -1, 3, and then 1 over 2. Okay, -13.5. Okay, we call it -13.5, right? Or if you want it as a fractions, if you want it as a fraction, your C is -13 and 1 over 2 is just like 0.5. So both of them are correct. So I'm gonna write like they are. Both of them can be the answers. Okay, in exam you may answer like this or you may answer like this. Nothing is wrong. Okay. Yay! Finished. Let's go next one. Woo! Let's go next one. Right? This one very easy again. 5, 7f. But your variable is an f now. So 28 and then f minus 1. Okay, multiply. 5, 7 is 35. 35f. 5, 3 is 15. 28 times f is 20f, right? 28 times -1 is -28. Aha! So let's move it to the same side. 35f minus 28f is going to be equal to -28. And then opposite of opposite of minus 15 is plus 15. Okay, so that is 35 minus 28 is 7. Right, you have 7f, and this one is still negative, right? But it will be less negative. It will be less negative. So -28 plus 15 is -13. So f is a fraction of -13 over 7, right? So change to the mixed number. So that is -1, right? And then 6 over 7. Yeah, that's your answer. Finish now. Whoa, let's move to the next one, right? Let's move to the next one. Ah, this is so easy. This one you have a fractions, right? Have a fractions. I'm gonna teach you how to move a fraction to the other side, okay? This one, 3 over 4 times x is -6. So if I want to get an x, I will have to move this 3 over 4 to the opposite side. For fractions, if you move it, it comes out to be the flip over, right? Flip over. Like 4 will just go up and 3 will just go down. We called it like a flip over. So 4 will just go up and 3 will just go down like this. When you move a fractions like this to the other side, it's 3 over 4 times x. So opposite of 3 over 4 times x is that. Times with like 4 over 3, okay? So x is, shup shup, 3, 1, 3, 2, right? 2 times 4 is an 8. So x is -8. Okay, x is -8. Okay, so when you move a fractions, you have to flip it over. Okay, you have to flip it over. Okay, done. Okay, next one. Next one. Right? This one, 1 over 3x plus 3 is 4. This is so easy. So 1 over 3x, right? I move this plus 3 to the other side. You have 4 minus 3. So mine 1 over 3x is going to be 4 minus 3 is 1. So my x is 1, right? 1 over 3, opposite of it is like 3 over 1, right? So you have x equal to 3. So easy. So finish. I just finished it. We just want to go to the next problem now. Okay, this one. Y over 4 minus 8 is -2. So y over 4 is -2. We plus with this, right? Opposite of -8, opposite of -8 is +8. So y over 4 is 6, right? So y is going to be 6. Right? This is divide by 4. Opposite of divide by 4 is to multiply by 4. So y is 24. Yeah, finish again. Okay, let's go next problem. I feel like the more we do, like the more it becomes like easier. The more we do, the more it becomes like easier. Okay, 15 minus like 2 over 5y, and that is equal to 11. So I'm gonna do this like 2 over 5y is 11, right? This one is plus 15, right? Plus 15. Opposite is minus 15. Okay, I'm gonna write it's negative 2 over 5. Y is 11 minus 15 is minus 4, right? So y is minus 4, and then multiply with, this is a fractions. When I move it, I have to flip it over. Okay, I have to flip it over. So 5 will just go up, 2 will just go down. This is negative, right? So it still be negative. Okay, so the flip of negative 2 over 5 is this one, negative 5 over 2, right? This is a fraction, like all of them is a fraction. So I move it to the other side now. So 2 times 1, 2 times 2, something like this, right? So my y is negative 2 times negative 5. Negative times negative is positive, and that positive is 10. Okay, finish. Very easy. Very easy. Very easy. Let's go next one. Okay. This one we have like fractions, fractions, and fractions. We have all of them as a fractions. So we go like this now. Okay, let's start with you know what? A fractions, and a fractions. So the good technique for this problem is to multiply with the LCM of 5 and 2. Okay, when you see a lot of fractions, you want to change it to integers. And to change it to integers, you have to multiply with the LCM. Okay, maybe we can start with the LCM. Okay, LCM of this one is what is LCM of 5 and 2? LCM of 5 and 2 is 10, right? So LCM is 5 and 2 is 10. So we will just multiply all of them with 10. Right? 3 over 5x is equal to 1 over 2x. And then plus 1 over 2, right? So multiplied it with 10. Right? If you multiply 10 here, right? So it goes 5, 1, 5, 2. Like this. 2 times 3 is 6. Right? So you will have a 6 there. We have a 6 there. So this one will become like 6x. Right? If you multiply 10 at here, like 10 will be divided by 2, and that is a 5, right? 5 times 1 is a 5. So it's a 5x here. And then 1 over 2 times 10 is 5. Again, so next step, you have integers now, right? Don't forget, right? Multiply LCM. You multiply LCM, you will change the fractions into integers like this. And then you just do the normal step, right? 6x, move this 5x to the other side, it becomes negative, right? And it's equal to 5. 6 minus 5 is just an x. So x is 5. Yay! Finished now, right? This problem is done now. Okay, we want to go to the next one now. Okay. It's a fraction again, right? So you see that this one is a fraction, this one is a fraction, this one is a fraction, this one is not, but it's okay. So we're going to find the LCM of 3, 4, and 8. Okay, so let's see. 3, 4, and 8, right? So let's find the LCM again. Divide by 2, right? This number 3, you cannot divide it, so just take it down, right? 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then, no, I don't want to use number 2. I'm sorry. I should use like number 4, right? So 4, 1 is 4, and then 4, 2 is 8. Okay, now you cannot divide any, like, at least like 2 pairs of numbers. No, not 2 pairs, I'm sorry. At least 1 pair of number, right? Right here, you can divide 4 and 8, like that is like 1 pair of number that you can divide. But look at this, right? You have 3, you have 1, and you have 2. So no more pairs, no more pairs. So you have to stop it here. And then you can, to get the LCM, like multiply it all from the start to the end. Like 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24. So your LCM is 24, right? Okay, so you have to multiply this 24 to all of them now. Okay, let's write the problem again. Okay, I'm gonna write it at here. 2/3 of y minus 3 over 4, right? And then it's equal to 2 times of y plus 5 over 8. Again, let's multiply 24 to it, right? If you multiply 24 at here, right? So 3, 1, 3, 8, right? 3 times 8 is 24, right? So 8 times 2 will be 16. So you will have 16 at here. You have 16 at here. Okay, so we're just going to go back a little bit. Shup, shup, shup. So you have like 16y. Okay, I'm gonna write 16y. And then here like 3 over 4 when you multiply with 24, right? So if you multiply 4 1 for 6 is 24, right? So 6 times 3 will be 18. Okay, so you will have like 18. You have 18. Okay, maybe I don't have. Do I have to take it out? Okay, maybe. Ship. Multiply 24. This is like 18. Okay, I'm gonna write 18. So here 24, right? Multiply with 22 at here. 24 at here. 24 times 2 is 48. Okay, this one is easy. 48, right? And this one, 5 over 8 times 24, right? So if I multiply 24 there, you sub 8 1, 8 3. 8 3 24. 3 times 5 is 15, right? 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, so you have 15 there. You are going to have 15 there. Okay, this one is plus 15. Okay, so now no more, right? No more. Okay, we go like multiply with LCM. So no more fractions. We have all of them as integers. Okay, so you go. Next step, normal step, like 16y, 48y, move it, subtract like this. And then this one like 15. Negative 18 will become positive 18. Okay. And this one, you have it, negative is big, right? So it will become negative. So it's a 2, it's a 3. 32y is, this is like 3. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1, 1, 2, 33. So your y is 33 divided by negative 32. Change to the improper fraction a little bit. So that is, no. Change it to a mixed number. This is improper. We call it improper fraction because the upper part is bigger than the lower part. Okay, it's bigger than the lower part, so it's improper. So it's 1 and then 1 over 32. Yeah, this one is quite hard a bit. It's quite hard, but it's you know that not that super hard. You can do it for sure. Okay, we got next problem. We get to the next problem now. Next problem, next problem. Ah, this one is easy. This one is easy. Okay, let's write it down. Like 2 divided by x is equal to 4 divided by 5. This problem, very easy. You just have to cross multiplying. Okay, cross multiplying. Okay, cross multiplying. Or, okay, I have like 2 options for you. I have 2 options for you. Right, this problem. Okay, this one I'm gonna do option 1. This one I'm gonna do option 2. Okay, option 1 like this. Cross multiplying. Okay, this one up there and this one up there. So I have 2 times 5 is equal to 4 times x of 4x, right? And then this is like 10. This is 4x. Okay. And they are equal. I want to flip it like a mirror. So I can just flip 4x to the left, 10 to the right. So x is 10 divided by 4. And that is 2.5. Okay, that is 2.5. This is option 1. Okay, this is option 1. I finished it now. Okay, let's go option 2. Option 1 is like normal method. Okay, this is normal method. Option 2 is by the observations. Okay, you have to observe. Okay, you know observation, right? By observation, you just look at the patterns. You just look at something spatial. Just have to look at something spatial in it. Right? So this one, I'm gonna write again 2 over x is equal to 4 over 5, right? So I look. Hey, this is a fractions. If the 2 fractions are equal, then the upper part has to be equal to the upper part and lower part has to be equal to the lower part, right? So I see. How can I change this number 2 to be number 4? Right? Because look, like number 2 is changed to 4, right? Then I know that I have to multiply it by 2, right? Aha! Okay, if I multiplied it by 2, then it will become like 4, right? It will become 4. So I look at here, right? If I multiply it on top with 2, I have to do the same thing below, right? I have to multiply by 2 at here too. So the question is, if my x is multiplied by 2, it becomes 5, right? So 2x, right? X multiplied by 2 is 2x. 2x is 5. So what is my x now? My x is 5 over 2, right? So x is 2.5. Yeah. And we have the same answers. We have it equal. This one you do it normally. This one you do it by observations. Okay. And this technique, if you still remember, this is like the ratio, right? I think I taught you about the ratio already, right? Yeah, I taught you, right? I taught you the ratio, the fractions. I taught you already. This one works like the ratios, okay? So, up to you, it's your choice, okay? Up to you. So you can do whatever you want, okay? Any method, any method. Okay, next problem now. Next problem. Okay, this one, uh-oh. Maybe you want to observe, okay? You want to do it by observations, okay? Let's write it down. 12 divided by y minus 1 is equal to 2/3, 2 over 3, right? So you look, this fraction is equal to that fractions, right? This one is equal to that one. So you look, hey, this is 12, this is 2. What should I do, right? This is small, right? This is small. If I want to get it that big, so this from this number 2. If I want to get 12, I have to multiply by 6, right? I have to multiply it by 6. So this one as well. If I want to change my 3 to be that one, I have to multiply with 6 as well, right? So then I say, I'm sure y minus 1 is equal to my 3 times 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. So y minus 1 is 18. So y is 18 plus 1. My y is 19. Okay, I have it now, right? This is by observations. Very easy. You just have to go like by observations. This is easy. And 19 is correct. I'm very sure that 19 is correct. Okay, by observation. But actually, there are like many techniques. Okay, you may want to do it like this. Okay, let me show another technique. Right? Another technique is to chain side, chain a lot. Right? This one, another technique. Okay, let's use the red color. Yep, you may want to move it up there. Right, my minus 1. Okay, move it up there. And then this number 12, you don't want to move it. But this 3 over 2 over 3, right? You move it to the other side, it becomes like 3 over 2 like this. You know what? This one is called like, it's like a transformation. You transform it, like you change it to the other format somehow. Right? You cross this one up, and then you move this 2 over 3 to the other side. And then you cut it out, it becomes 6, right? 6 times 3 is 18. And 18 is equal to y minus 1. Right? You see the same thing, right? Equal. They are the same thing, so you know that your y is 19. So there are like many techniques. Okay, you can just observe like this. If you like changing side, like this one is changing sides, so you can just do like this. So it's all up to you. Okay, they have the same answers. Okay, yeah, no problem. Because in math, right, we may have different ways. We may have like different ways of doing it, but at the end we are going to have like the same answer. So no problem, right? No problem. Okay, you can do. You can always do it. Okay, this one we want to solve this. Ah, this one is a huge one. This one not easy. Okay, let's do it. Let's multiply. Okay, let's multiply. I'm gonna try to do it fast now. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it fast now. This one multiplying inside. Negative 3 times, right? Multiplying inside. Negative 3 times 4 is negative. I'm gonna write it here. Negative 12. Negative 12y. And the next one, right? Negative 3 times negative 5. Be careful, okay? Negative 3 times negative 5. This one, right? Negative 3 times negative 5. That will become positive 15, right? Be careful, right? Many people make a mistake at here. Negative times negative is positive, right? If you still have this equal to negative, right, you are wrong, right? Okay, next. And now it's equal to this one, right? Negative 7, multiplying it there. So negative times negative is positive. So we have 35 there. And this negative 7 times that. negative 2. Negative times negative is, again, positive 14y. Okay, then you just do the normal math now. Do normal math, okay? Negative 12y minus 14y, like this, right? Move this to the left. 35, okay, plus 15 is minus 15 there. So 35 minus 15 is 20, negative 12, and then minus 14. It will become a bigger negative 26, right? It's negative like this. So my y is 20 over negative 26. Y is, okay, make it smaller. So dy by 2 on both sides, on the upper part and the lower part. So that's 10. Dy by 2 here is 13. Okay, so I have negative 10 over 13. Shoop, shoop, shoop. Yee, I'm done with it now. Okay, right? You still with me, right? You still with me, okay? You still with me? I make it long a bit, okay? I make this clip like quite long, okay? This one's multiply by 3, okay? Let's multiply it by 3, right? This number 3, okay? Let's multiply it there. 3 times 5 is 15, right? And then 3 times h, 3 times h is, no. 3 times h is 3h, like 3h. And but it has to be negative 3h because this h is negative. You see, right? This h is negative. Okay, next one, right? This one you have to be very careful because when you multiply, don't just multiply number 2, but you have to take this negative with you. Okay, you have to take this negative with you. So this one is like negative 2 times h. Negative 2 times h is negative 2h. Okay, be careful here. Don't make a mistake, okay? This negative, right? So next one, negative 2 times is negative 2. What is it, right? It's positive 4, right? Because negative times negative is positive. Okay, you have to multiply it, okay? And this is just number like negative 1. Okay, so what do you have now, right? 15 plus 4 is 19. Negative 2 minus 2 is negative 5h. And this is like negative 1. Aha! So negative 5h is equal to minus 1. Negative 5h, negative 1. This 19, I move it there. Okay, it becomes like this. So h is, that will be negative 16 divided by negative 5. So my h is going to be negative over negative is positive, right? So it's 3, right? Change to the mixed number. That is 3 mixed fraction, mixed number. So that is 3 over 1 and 1 over 5. Okay. Yeah. It may be a little like complex, okay, but you can do it. Don't worry, you can do it for sure. Okay, you can do it, people. Don't worry. You're gonna be fine. Okay, number 9, right? Number 9. Okay, right. Let's cross multiply this one. This one you have to cross multiply. Okay. Cross it up, like 3 will just go up there, right? And 5 will just go up there. Maybe I'm gonna write like this. Number 3, right? Cross it to the front of this. So you are going to have like 3 times, you know, right? This number 3. Cross it up there to the front, like 3 times like 3x minus 1. Okay, wake up, wake up. Okay. Next one, like this number 5, right? Cross it up there in front of x minus 1. Okay, so you have 5 and then x minus 1. Okay, and then multiply now. Multiply. Okay, very easy. Distributive multiplying. Okay, 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is negative 3. And this one, like 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Okay, then move the numbers to the right. Move the x's to the left. Right? Move all the x's to the left. Okay, minus 5x and minus 5. Okay, this one becomes plus 3. 9 minus 5 is 4x. Okay, negative 5 plus 3 is still like negative 2. So x is negative 2 divided by 4. So my x is simplifying, make it smaller to the simplest fraction as negative 1 over 2. Shoop, 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 shoop. Yeah. Okay, people, you can do it, right? You can do it. Okay, so we want to go to the next one now. We're going to go to the next one now. Okay, I'm gonna try to finish this exercise, and then next will be like a word problem, and I can teach you about word problems again. This one, what do you want to do, right? This one, I think that we want to cross multiply this 1 over 4, right, to the other side, and this 1 over 3 to the other side. Okay, let's see. 1 over 4, right? If you, I'm gonna write equal it here. Okay, I'm gonna multiply this 4 up there, right? This 4 will just go up there, so I'm gonna have like 4 and then 2y minus 1, right? And then this number 3, I'm gonna cross multiply it up there, right? Cross multiplying up there, so I'm gonna have a 3 there, and then 5y plus 4. Okay, you know, it's fine, right? It's fine. So let's do the math now. It's not hard anymore. Okay, 3 5 is 15. 15y, right? 3 4 is 12. And then 4 2 is 8y. 4 1 is minus 4. And then I do 15y. I move this one, minus 8y. And this is like minus 4. This one, move it there, minus 12. 15y minus 8y is 7y. Okay, 7y. And then this one is negative 16, right? Negative 16. So my y is negative 16 divided by 7. Change to the mixed fraction, mixed number, right? Mixed number. So it's like 7 to 14, right? And have a remainder of 2. So it's 7. It's negative 2, and then 2 over 7. Okay, 2 sevenths. Okay, I think we are close to the end of this, right? We are very close now. Okay, we're gonna do not many problems now. Not many problems. Okay. Aha, this one. Oh, it's a fraction. Like this is one fractions. This is another fractions. You have 4 and you have 6. So find the LCM. Right? Find the LCM. Okay, well, let's do it quickly. LCM of 4 and 6 is, I think, 2 2 4 2 3 6. Multiplying all of them. Yeah, you have 12. Yeah, LCM is 12. Okay, so you have to multiply the LCM in order to get it equal to the integers. Okay, so let's multiply. Okay, let's multiply 12 to this one. Okay, let's multiply 12 to this one. So if I have a 12 there, I have a 12 there, right? I multiply this, right? Multiplying it with 12, so 4 1, right? 4, you divide 12 by 4, you have a 3. You have number 3, right? And number 3, that number 3 is very bad. Okay, you have a number 3 there. You have number 3 there, right? So this number 3 will be multiplying to this group of numbers. Okay, multiplying by 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3, and this number 3 will be multiplying to that group of 2y plus 3. So I'm gonna write it at here now. 3 times like 2y plus 3. So I'm done with this group now. So next one, I'm gonna multiply this 12 to this group, right? To this group. Okay, so multiplying. Okay, I'm gonna write 12 there. This 12 multiplying to this one, right? So 6 and 12, you can cancel the 2, like just number 2. And this number 2, you have to multiply it to this group, right? So you have this equal to 2 and then y minus 5. And that will be equal to 0, right? And then 12 times 0, this one is actually like 12 times 0, but 12 times 0 is 0. Okay, 12 times 0 is 0. Okay, so we don't have any fractions. We don't have any fraction left now. It's all like integers. So you do the math now. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6y. 3 times 3 is a 9. Like 2 times y is 2y. 2 times 5 is negative 10, and that is a 0. Okay, so just do the math now. 6 plus 2 is an 8, 8y. 9 minus 10 is minus 1. That's equal to 0. So 8y is 1, right? Move this one there. Minus 1, you move it to the other side, it's number 1. Right? So y is equal to 1. This one, divide by 8 there. Yep, finish. Yeah, very easy. Okay, let's go. We see next one now. Number 10 now. It's number 10, okay. This one is number 10, okay. So we're just gonna do it. And this problem, oh, not easy. This one is not easy. Okay, but I know what to do now. Okay, I'm gonna write like 32, and then 2x minus 5 there, and I'm gonna move this negative minus 3, right? I'm gonna move it to the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna have it equal, right? I'm gonna have it like this, like I have 1 over 4, right? And then plus 3. Okay, 1 over 4 plus 3. Okay, so what do I have now? Like 32, and then 2x minus 5. Choop. You know 1 plus 4, 1 over 4 plus 3, right? This is actually 3 and 1/4. It's a mixed number like that, okay? This one is the same as that one. So if you change it to fractions, it is 3, 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. Right? It will become like 13 divided by 4 like this. Okay, very easy. Next step, let's cross multiply. 4 up there, cross multiply this one up there. Okay, so you go. 4 multiply with 32, right? And it is 1 multiplying it up there. So it's 13 times like 2x minus 5 again. Okay, now you have to, oh, this number is so big, right? This number is so big. Okay, so let's multiply. 4 times 2 is an 8. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. So you have 128 now. This one, 13 times 2 is 26. Okay, multiplying. 26x, right? 13 times negative 5 is negative 65. Okay, if 65. Okay, so now your 26x is equal to 128, and then minus 65, or you go there, it's plus 65, right? Plus 65. Okay. If you move it there, it's plus 65. So do the math now. 8 plus 5 is 13, right? So you have a carry of 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 193 is equal to 26x. Okay, the next step. You mirror, you know, right? It's like when you look in the mirror. This 26 can just go there. This 26x can just go there. Okay. This one we don't change side, but we reflect it like the mirror. Okay, 193. Oh my God. Can we really like divide it now? Can we really divide it now? Okay, I'm gonna see it. 193 divided by 26. Oh, I think we have a very big number. Okay, divide by 26. So we can do it by like 7 times, right? So my egg is, that is about like 7 times. Okay, 193 divided by 26. So I want to change it to mixed numbers. So 26 times 7. You know what? 26 times 7 is 182. Okay, 182. So I can do it like 7 times, like this, and then this will be like 11, right? 193 minus 182 is 11, and over 26. Okay, very bad number like this one. Very bad number. Okay, this problem has very bad number. Okay, but that's the end. That's it. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, it talked a bit. Oh, almost an hour now. Okay, almost an hour. Okay, soon. When we finish this one, I'm gonna stop it. Okay, this one cross multiply. Okay, have no other choices. Okay, cross this up there. So it's 2 times of y plus 6 equal like 3 times of y minus 2. Okay, 2y 2 6 is 12. 3y 3 2 is 6. Okay. Okay, then 2y, this one move it, minus 3y, minus 6, right? This one move it there, it becomes minus 12. Okay, 2y minus 3y is minus y, and this is minus 18. So your y is 18. Yeah, this one is easy. This one is not hard, okay? Compared to the previous problem, right? Compared to the previous problem, this one is easy. Ooh, okay, let's finish it quickly, okay? When we finish this one, I'm gonna stop, okay? I promise I'm gonna stop because I'm tired now. This is so not easy. This, you have a fraction, right? This is a fraction, this is an integer, this is a fraction. So we want to change the fractions, like all the fractions into the integers. So we have to find the LCM, okay? This problem, 7 is a prime number, 3 is also a prime number. So LCM is going to be 21 for sure, right? 7 times 3 is 21. So let's multiply 21 to all of it now. Okay, it's not going to be so easy, okay? So I'm going to multiply it there, right? So 21 is there, right? If I multiply to it, right, you have to do like 7, 1, and 21, you can cut it by 3 times. You can cut it out by like 3 times, okay? 3 times. Alright, and this 3 will be multiplied to 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So I'm going to write this 18 multiplied to the group of y minus 2, right? Y minus 2. And then 21 multiplied to this. Okay, so what is it like? So I'm going to use 12, right? 12 times 1 is 12. I have a carry of 1. 12 times 2 is 24, right? Plus 1 is 25. Okay, this one, right? If I multiply 21 to it, right? You get this 3137, right? 7 times 2 is 14. And then you have y minus 7. Okay, so now we have changed all the fractions to integers now. To integers. Okay, let's do the math now. Yep, multiplying like 18y, 18 times 2 is 36. Okay, 36. And then minus 252. And this one is like 14y. And that is just 28, right? 98. Okay, not 28, 98. Okay, so 18y. Oh, this is a big one, a huge one, right? So it's 288. Okay, 288. And that is 14y minus 98. Okay, so I do it like this. 18y, this one move it there, minus 14, right? This one negative 98. This move it to the other side. And it will become like plus 288 like this. 18 minus 14 is 4y. Okay, 4y. And that is, this is like 190, right? 190, right? 288 minus 98 is 190. Yeah, 190. Okay. So my y is now equal to 190 divided by 4. And let's simplify it, make it smaller. Divide by 2 to all of them. So this is a 2. And then that one to 2, 9, like 2, 9, 18, 2, 2, 5. So it's 95 over 2. So 95 over 2 is 2, 4, 8, 2, 7, 47 and a half, right? 47 and a half. Or y is 47.5. Okay. Whew, this problem is, the number is so bad, okay? This number is so bad. But don't worry, in your exam, I don't make exam with very bad number like this, okay? Okay. So let's do this one now. Oh, this is a very bad number again. Okay, 1 and 1/4. I'm gonna change this one to integer. No, to fractions, to improper fractions, over fraction like that. So this one, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So this is like 5 over 4. Okay, I change it to 5 over 4 now. Okay. Then I look, I have 2, I have 5, and I have 4, right? A fraction, and another fraction. So let's find the LCM of it, like 2, 5, and 4. Sure. I have a pair, a pair of numbers that I can divide it by 2. So that is 1, 2, something. So LCM is 20, right? 10, 10, 20. So LCM is 20. I'm going to multiply all of them with 20 to change them all to the integers. Okay. So multiply there like 10. 10 multiply to this, right? 10 will be divided by 2. So you have a 5, right? You have a 5. Okay, you have a 5. Okay, you have a 5 there. So 5 will be multiplying to this group. Okay, 5 will be multiplying to this group. So you go 5 and then 7 minus 2y. Aha! Okay, then 20 multiplying it to this one, right? Multiplying it to this one. So 20 multiply, right? 5. You can cut it out to 4, right? And then 4 times 2 is an 8. So it's minus 8. This is a negative, right? This is a minus. So you have minus 8. Multiply to the group of 2 minus y. And the other side, right? 5 over 4 times 20. So 4, 1, 4, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay. Yeah. And then you just do the math now. You have to do the math. Okay. Just have to do the math. Right? 5, 7 is 35. 5 times 2 is 10. Right? Minus 8. Be careful about this one, okay? Don't forget the sign, okay? Don't forget this negative signs, okay? Negative 8 times 2 is negative 16. Right? Negative 8 times that negative 1 is positive 8y. Yep. And this is just 25. Okay, let's do the math now. So negative 35 minus 16 is, it's just 14. No, 9, right? Yeah, 19, right? 19, right? 35 minus 16 is 19, okay? Right? Yeah, it's 19, right? And then negative 10 plus 8 is negative 2. And that is 25. So negative 2y is 25 minus 19, right? So I moved this one there. So y is, that is a 4, no, that is a 6. Right? And then divide by negative 2. So my y is negative 3. So hard, right? This one. So hard, okay? Yeah, people. We have to do just a little bit more, okay? It's gonna end soon. It's gonna end soon, okay? Work hard, okay? Don't give up, okay? If you give up now, you never be smart, okay? So you have to work hard. Okay, this problem. Uh-oh. 3 and 4, the LCM is 12, right? So let's multiply all of them with 12. Okay, LCM is 12. Okay, multiply 12 there. 12 times 1 is 12. Okay, 12 times 1 is very easy. This one, you multiply with 12 there. You have to cut it out like this, right? 3, 1, and that will be like 4, right? And this 4 is multiplying to this group, but don't forget the negative sign. So negative 4, right? You have a 4 and then multiplying to this group of y plus 5, okay? And that will be equal to, okay, multiplying 12 to it, right? So 4, 1, 4, 3, right? 3 times 3 is 9, okay? And it's multiplying to the group of y minus 1. Okay, so all of them are integers now. 12, and then don't forget negative sign again. Multiplying inside is negative 4y. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. 9 times 1 is 9y. 9 times negative 1 is negative 9, okay? Negative 9. Aha. 12 minus 20, that is negative 8, right? 12 minus 20, it's negative 8. So this is just negative 4y, and that is 9y minus 9, okay? Now, you move 9y to the left, you have like plus, no, not plus, it's minus 9y, okay? And this is negative 9, right? This negative 8, move it there, it's plus 8. And that will be negative 13y, right? And this is negative 1. So my y is negative 1 over negative 13. Yep, negative over negative is a positive, right? Okay, finish now. Finish this one now. Okay, go more. It's the end now. Oh, just yet the end, right? By showing your work clearly, where you find x is equal to 19, x 19 over 20 is the solution of this. Okay. Let's do it quickly, right? Let's do it quickly. Okay, let's do it quickly. This one, x is 19 over 20. Just go there, right? Just go there. So what we find is like you have to substitute. You have to replace, you have to substitute. You have to replace your x by 19 over 28. Okay, so you just go there, right? This is like 2x. So you have to replace this x by 19 over 20. So let's go. 2 and then 19 over 20, right? This is minus 3 over 4, right? And that is 1 over 3x. So you go 1 over 3. And this x, replace it with 19 over 20. Replace with 19 over 20. Right? And then plus with 5 over 6. Oh my god. It doesn't look easy. It doesn't look easy at all, right? So let's see. This one, I can do this and this. So I'm going to have like 19 over 10, right? And then minus with 3 over 4. This one is going to be a 19 over 3 times 2 is 60. And this is 5 over 6, okay? Oh, a lot of them, right? Well, let's find the LCM, right? We have many fractions, okay? Let's find the LCM of 10, of 4, 60, and 6. Chup, chup, chup. So I'm going to divide all of them by 2, okay? 2, 5, 2, 2, 2, 30, 2, 3. And then I think I can divide by 2 again because I have this 2 and 30. So I have a 1, I have 15, I have a 3 there. Shup. Now, 5 and 15. I'm going to divide by 5 now. So it's a 5, it's 1 and 3, 3. I have this 3 and this 3. So I divide by 3 again. Like 5, 1, 1, 1 now. So my LCM is this, right? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 2 is 20 times 3 is 60. 60 times 5 is 300. Oh my god, LCM is 300. It's so big. No, right? I know your face is like this. No, right? Your face is like this, like no. So big, right? Okay, let's multiply to this one, right? 300 multiplied to this, right? Okay, 300. So you cut 0 and 0. You have 30. 30 times 19 is okay. Let's add the 0. 3 9 27. 3 1 670. Oh no! And this is 300 times this one, right? Oh, I want to think of it. Right? It's like 75, right? 75 times 3. This is like 7 and 5. Okay, 75 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 21 plus 1 is 22. Here is 50. No, 300, right? Not 50. So that's a 5. Right? 5 times 19 is 95. And this one, multiply with 300, right? It's like 50. That is 250. So, are they equal or not? Okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out. So this one, right? 670 minus 225. That is 445. Okay, and this one, right? 95 plus 250. I get it, 345. So, I don't see that. I don't see that they are equal, right? Oh, I make a mistake. I make a mistake. I make a mistake. I found a mistake now, right? Here, 19. 19 times 30 is 570. Okay, not 600. Okay, so I make it like 100, like too big. So this one is not 445, but it's gonna be sorry, like 345. Okay, so they are equal actually. My mistake. Okay, this one is a good one. Okay, so 19 over 20 is the solution of this because this number makes the left hand side like left hand side equal to the right hand side. When you after you replace, like you have them like equal, so it's a solution. Okay, are you dying now? Not yet, right? You're not dead, right? You're not dead, right? Okay, so maybe I'm gonna stop it here now because this is like 1 hour and about like 15 minutes now. This is like advanced level, and we're gonna do it next time. Okay, so next time we're gonna come back to continue it here. Okay, so everyone, thank you very much, and I wish that you're gonna watch this one from home. Okay, and we will have a good like discussion like tomorrow. Okay, much one kid. Bye bye.